Namaste. There was commonality between India, Indonesia, Turkey, Brazil, and South Africa a decade ago. They were seen as fragile five countries economically due to their risky financial situation. But Bharat, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, has jumped from the fragile five list to top five big economies of the world, recently replacing Japan as the fourth biggest economy. After taking office as Prime Minister in 2014, Modi ji's first success was restoring global confidence in India as a safe investment destination and enhancing India's brand image. Before 2014, India was ranked 11th, but under Modi ji's leadership from 2014 to 25, it became the strongest and most stable economy, reaching the fourth position. By 2027, India is set to become the world's third largest stable economy. By 2047, it is expected to surpass the US and China, becoming the world's most stable and wealthy economy, reaching the position of global leadership and establishing itself as a Vishwaguru. According to the IMF report, India's GDP was $2.1 trillion in 2014 and reached $4 trillion by 2025. As per the latest Niti Aayog report, 250 million Indians were lifted out of poverty during these 11 years. Between 2014 and 2025, as part of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Modi ji's government introduced policies like Make in India, Made in India, Startup India and Stand Up India. Revolutionary changes were made in agriculture, industrial sector and digitalization, along with banking sector stabilization and providing Jan Dhan accounts to every citizen, which led to the growth of the digital economy and more money being accounted for. India transitioned from importing even the smallest items to exporting weapons to 100 countries. Notably, decisions like increasing women's participation in economic growth were significant.